Outdoors with Todd. I'm Todd, and we're heading to the outdoors, everybody. Stick with me. Today we're going kayak camping, and as you can see, I'm doing a little side trek. Of course, I seen a hill and I had to climb it. It was too good to pass. So here we are, somewhere above the Athabasca River, near a place called Taganova Park. And you can see in the background that it's a little bit smoky here today. So the views aren't the best, but they're still beautiful. Cheers, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Enjoy the video. That was awesome. Beauty of view up there. I love finding those views. That's awesome. Bit of work for it, but pretty easy. Pretty cool. So we're heading down the river, looking for more hills to climb. It's smoky today. It's getting a little bit smokier as I'm going here, I think. Anyways, we're on the move. So I'm just have to pull over here now to get apply some more sunscreen because it is hot today. It appears to be smoky, but I can feel it on my arms. They're burning. So I pull over on the nice island behind me there. I put on a lot of sunscreen. Today the water level is really low compared to the last time I did this, and there's lots of places to pull over, which is fine by me because I love stretching my legs. I love those little breaks when I'm in the kayak. My legs always cramp up all the time. So the more places to pull over, the better. So we're on the go again now. Not sure where the current is going to take me today. I got no real plan, to be honest. My only plan is to get out here and paddle and maybe do a few hill climbs. Done one already, so we're on the move again. We're hitting the river. I'm climbing another hill now. So second one today. And this spot, we've been here before. This is the place where I camped in the video called Black Bears and Blueberries. And that's a good video. You should check that one out. That's an amazing video. So here we go. Up we go. I can't believe I climbed this before with all my camping gear. I had to make a few trips that day. Whew. Beauty. Holy. Straight up from here. Whew. It's warm out here today. And the air is bad because I can smoke. The air quality is poor. So I'm a little bit tired today. Whew. A little bit more tired than usual. The smoke and the heat takes it right out of me. But anyways, still having a time. Does it get any better than this? I don't think so. Whew. That was great. A little bit easier than the last one. Oh man. remember this spot and I love this spot. Wow. I was here before, but I'm blown away again. Man, oh man, it's tempting to stay here. This is awesome up here. I'm gonna take a break for sure. What a spot, what a spot. Unbelievable up here. It's time for a snack. I got dehydrated mango, dehydrated strawberries, hazelnuts, cashews, almond chips, coconut. All mixed together. I bought it all separately and then mixed it all together. Oh, it's delicious. Fried mango. That is awesome. That's the dehydrated strawberries. Those are delicious. And of course there's some dog hair. No surprise, Thorian is shedding right now. Down the hatch. That's a good kayaking treat there. That is awesome. And the cashews are salted too, which is good. So the last time I was here, it was a little later in the year and there was blueberries here. And there is some small blueberries there, but they're not quite ready yet. In a month or two, it'll be awesome out here with blueberries. So we might be back here again. Picking blueberries, maybe September. Cheers, everybody! Oh, yeah! Woo! That is so good. Oh, not a bad spot to have a break. Stretch the old legs. Soon I'm going to be jumping in that river because I'm hot. Cheers, everybody. Time to take a break here now. This place is awesome. Right now I'm standing where I camped. Beautiful little spot here. That's amazing. The only downside is the highway is just on the other side of the river and you can hear it. So it kind of destroys the ambiance, but other than that, it is pretty spectacular out here. The view out here is awesome because there's a shoreline down here that's all like a rocky cliff. I'll turn around and show you here. A shoreline right here. It's all like a rocky cliff. And that's amazing looking over there. And in between me, that big hill there, and there's a stream goes in between the two hills. And you can hear the stream. The stream is nice and full right now with all the rain we're after having. So you can hear it, so it sounds really nice. And it is beautiful out here. Other than the smoke. The smoke is killing me. But you gotta work through it, you gotta deal with it. It's still beautiful. So I'm on the way down now, after taking a 15-20 minute break. And it was much needed, and it was awesome. So, we'll see you down at the kayak. Away we go. That was a beauty of a break. Beauty of a spot. Whew. And I ended up splashing off in the water there. That was really nice because the water is still a little bit cool. It's not as warm as it usually is in summer. It's coming down from the mountains, so it's a little bit chilly. But it's nice in these hot days. Really hot right now. It feels like about 28 degrees out here or more. So that's where we were right here. Somewhere up there. That was awesome. That spot is so beautiful. Probably the perfect camp spot. Anyways, we're on the river again. To where? I don't know. The next stop? Who knows? We're just winging it today. I think I'm going to go across the river today. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe I'll go across the river today. I'll take a different route. She's smoky. Hard on the lungs. Hard to get a good breath of fresh air. But oh well. We're out here. We're doing it. Having a time, as always. Life is good. Man, oh man. Fort McMurray area is unreal. Fort McMurray gets a bad rep. There's no need for it. Fort McMurray is absolutely beautiful. The nature surrounding Fort McMurray and Wood Buffalo, second to none. So great. Such a beautiful place. And the city is always growing. There's always more things coming here, more stores. Good city. Good for young families for sure. Across the river, here we go. Downstream, here we come. Well, that was awesome. That's how you get refreshed out here at Fort McMurray. What a beautiful spot. That was awesome. I thought there was beaver swimming in front of me. It was just a little chunk of the bark. What a beauty. Now I'm nice and cool. That water coming off there was a little bit cool. Nice and refreshing. That was awesome. The last time I was here, there was no shoreline whatsoever to get to that waterfall. So today it is a welcome sight. We're on the move again, everybody. Downstream. Where we go next? Who knows? I don't know. Oh, that is awesome. I gotta be honest with you, I'm feeling that smoke today. My throat is burning and my lungs are burning from that smoke. And as we paddle deeper into the afternoon here, into the evening, it's definitely getting worse. The smoke is killing me today. It's definitely affecting my my power today. But anyways, I'm on another view, a smaller hill climb this time, just a small one. And I'm stopping here for a little bit. I'm going to take a break, see if I can get a breath of fresh air out of here. So I'm getting winded from all that smoke I'm breathing in here all day. But right behind me here, there's a nice little stream running through there, actually a pretty good one. And it's a beauty. And of course, other than the smoke, another good view. Cheers, everybody. Cool little spot. Not the highest cliff in the world, or the hill in the world, but still pretty fun. On the way down, I slipped right at the bottom with a bunch of mud, and I clocked my hand on the rock. And now my hand is killing me, but that's okay. Well, you see how she goes. My middle knuckle is really bad. I slipped right at the bottom on a bunch of mud, and I caught myself with my knuckle because I had my camera in my hand. I was carrying the camera and the tripod. And it was just my fist hit the rocks. Well, see how she goes. That's all you can do. On the water again. Still having a time. It was actually pretty funny because I was actually done the hill and I was like, oh yeah, I'm done now. I don't have to be cautious anymore, and I stepped on a little bit of mud by the shoreline, slipped right underneath me, and plucked my wrist, my knuckles right off the rocks. I thought I was going to break the camera, to be honest with you, but I guess my knuckles saved it. Anyways, folks, smoky today. Still pretty fun though. Oh man. Beautiful out here. Getting a bit of a headwind for quite a while actually. That definitely slows down progress and makes it a little bit harder. That's okay. Slows me down, gives me more view of these beautiful hills here. So nice out here. The hills right now are awesome. This 10 kilometers right now that I'm in now is probably my favorite stretch from here to the Bridge of Nowhere. From that waterfall to past these rolling hills that I'm at now. This section is really beautiful. I love it here. This is the best part for sure. Definitely my favorite section. Loving it. Hand is hurting, but I'm still loving it. I like to climb all those hills. Some of them are above my pay grade, I think. Beauty. On the go. We're hitting the river. I'll dip my hand in the river. It's cold. Makes it feel a little bit better. Okay, enough moaning and groaning. So I'm really tempted to stay here tonight. I only had planned on pulling over here just to take a break. But as I'm getting later into the day here, it's after 6 o'clock I think. This spot would be an easy spot to set up a tent. And it's all flat. There'd be I don't have to clear anything. The only downside is it's all hard rock. And it won't be the most comfortable of sleeps. And Suncor is a couple kilometers away from me. You can hear all the banging and the movement over there from Suncor work. So really tempted, I gotta be honest. It'd be so easy to stay here. But for now, while I'm thinking about it, I'm gonna have supper. Looks about right to me. I have no idea here. Cup and a half. So. This one here is Creole grilled chicken gumbo with rice. That sounds really good. Did a nice mix up. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes. And today we're doing cowboy coffee. Because this cowboy forgot the French press. But that's okay, because cowboy coffee is also good. Looking forward to this. Yummy. And we'll let that sit for 15-20 minutes as well. Let all the grains settle to the bottom. Boom shakalaka. It's my favorite time of day again, everybody. It's coffee time. Cheers, everybody. Cheers to all of you. Cheers to the beautiful Athabasca River. Cheers to that beautiful sun. And cheers to this beautiful surroundings. It's coffee time. Oh, that is delish. That is delish. And I did that cowboy coffee style because I let it sit for 15-20 minutes. All the grains went to the bottom. I didn't get one grain in the coffee cup. And it is delicious. Easiest way to make coffee when you're camping. Oh, beauty. Cheers, everybody. What can you say about this spot? Man, oh man, what a beauty. Unbelievable out here. Smoky still, but you can look past that. Still beauty to be found. So as you can see, I decided to set up camp here, and I think it was worth it. I got to be honest with you, I was a little bit pooped today, climbing those hills and all that smoke today, breathing in all that smoke. Didn't have much energy at the end of it here. So when I found the spot here, it was clear. This spot is awesome. This is a spot I stopped several times. First time I stopped here was after I got flooded out on an island one time. I pulled over here early in the morning, had a coffee, and it was awesome. Another time I stopped and had another coffee on a day trip when I was coming down here. And a little bear came across the shoreline towards me. I ended up having to shoot off 2 bear bangers. And of course, now I'm here again having a camp. And actually I was here 2 weeks ago when I did that run down to the Bridge of Nowhere in flood conditions. I was actually standing by the shoreline over here in the bushes. And now it's completely clear again. It's awesome. So cheers, everybody. What a beauty. Having a time. Now we're going to get into this Creole grilled chicken gumbo with rice. And it's gluten-free, which is awesome. Let's give it a try here. Give it a little stir first. Looks pretty good. Smells delicious. I'm diving in, everybody. Oh, that is good. I like that. That is awesome. A little bit spicy too. That's a good one. I don't usually eat these freeze-dried meals, but this one is definitely a good one. Lots of veggies in there. What do we got here? Pre-cooked rice, cooked seasoned chicken, red and green bell peppers, onion, tomato, cayenne pepper, potato starch, sea salt, okra, chicken flavor broth, dehydrated vegetables, potato flour, and a bunch of other stuff. Onion, dry garlic. Wow. It's good. It's actually really good. If I had to give this a rating for a freeze-dried meal on the side of a river at 28 degrees in the summertime, I'd give this probably a 7.5 out of 10. It is good. Easy to cook. I didn't have to do anything, just add water. So easy. That's good. I'm happy with that. That's delish. Cheers, everybody. Sitting around out here on this giant tree, just enjoying the sights and the sounds. The birds are chirping everywhere, flying everywhere. There was Canada geese. It is awesome out here. And so now it's around 10:30, and I gotta be honest, I'm pooped. So everybody, we'll see you in the morning. You guys have a good night. Pretty cool out there. It was a young juvenile bull moose. That was crazy. Right down the shore from the campsite. I could hear that it was far away from me, so I was comfortable enough to stick my head out to see what it was. Because at first I thought, oh, a bear. But then when I looked out, big old bull moose. Young guy, swimming in the water, walking in the water. That was awesome. He stood there and looked at me for a long time. Oh, that was a tail slap of a beaver, if you heard that on the camera. They're working now. Probably wondering what the hell I'm doing here on this shoreline here. Anyways, everybody, if nothing else happens, we'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Cheers to you guys. Beauty out here this morning. Still a little bit smoky and a little bit foggy, I think. Oh, delish, delish, delish. So I gotta be honest with you, I slept really good. I didn't think I was, because it was just like a hard rock I was lying on. I just slept on top of my sleeping bag, and it was one of the best sleeps I've had camping. I was so comfortable. Slept right till I woke up. Right now it's 4:52. So pretty decent sleep in my opinion. So cheers, everybody. We're just getting the morning started here. We got delicious coffee and some freeze-dried oatmeal. I don't know if it's freeze-dried or not, but oatmeal. Oh, that smells good. I put the right amount of water in there too. Good. Let's give this one a try here. That is delicious. Banana oatmeal, bananas and cinnamon. There is a peanut butter packet you can put into it too, but I didn't want to do that. So that really didn't sound that great. Cheers, everybody. That is good. That is some tasty oatmeal. Lots of apples in there too. Love it. So, beauty of a night, beauty of a morning. Couldn't believe there was a moose right behind me here. That was unreal. I heard the splashing, got up and looked out, not knowing what it was, and there was Mr. Moose over there. Young bull moose. That was awesome. And throughout the night there was a beaver working right here and slapping his tail every now and again. So every now and again you get a big sploosh. But other than that, man, it was peaceful out here. I slept so good, I can't believe it. When I was first thinking about setting up here, I was thinking, man, I'm not going to sleep here at all. I had such a comfy sleep. So cheers, everybody. I'm just enjoying the morning here. What a spot that was. That was a great spot. It's unbelievable that big tree was there. Imagine that thing was floating down the water at one point and pushed up on that shore by all that water we had 2 weeks ago. That is unreal. Crazy to think about it. That's the biggest tree I've ever seen on the side of a river. I've seen some big ones, but that's definitely the biggest one. So here we go, folks. There's a beautiful campsite. Man, that was great. Love that spot. That was awesome. And I put a marker tree on the shoreline, on the water line last time. And the water dropped about 2 feet from that stick I had. So the water is still falling. So everybody, we're on the move this morning. And we got coffee to go. Cheers, everybody. So I'm just pulled over on the shore, stretching the old legs, having a drink. And it is beautiful out here this morning. A little bit of wind when I was passing through Suncor, but other than that, where I am right now, the wind is calm. No breeze whatsoever. It is so beautiful. And that sunrise this morning, the sun on the river, that was awesome. So beautiful. So cheers everybody. We're having a time here. And I gotta say, I'm really loving this kayak because my last kayak I had to strap all my gear to the top. This time I can put all my gear inside the 2 hatches, which is awesome. I'm so happy with that. So if I wanted to take more gear, I could put more gear on top. And I can actually put more gear in the hatches if I wanted to. Only smaller stuff, but loving it so far. The Delta Kayaks 1210, unbelievable. And the North Face Stormbreak 2 tent, which I used last night, I love that tent. It's got to be one of my favorite tents I've ever owned. So far, so good. Loving life, loving nature. Everything is fine out here. Cheers, everybody. That was a good spot too. Last time I was out here, there was no spots anywhere. So all these shorelines now is a welcome sight. It's still not extremely low, but it's definitely good enough. There's definitely some spots in between where you can definitely pull over and have a break. And I really love those rocky shorelines because the sandy shorelines are like quicksand from them. They're so saturated with water, it sucks you right in, just like quicksand. It probably is considered quicksand, actually. The very first one I stood on yesterday was really bad at the edge. I was actually going to try to walk out and dive in there, but it was I was sinking so far in I couldn't get out. I would have lost my sandals for sure. So anyways, folks, paddling in the morning is first thing in the morning is so beautiful. Especially when that sun comes out, shines off the water. That was awesome. So we're on the move again. What a beautiful day out here. So nice. Not sure which shoreline I want to stay on right now. Decisions. This is my decisions this morning. I think I'll stay river right, this morning. Last time I did river left when I was here in this spot. We'll stay over here. See what we can see. We're moving. We're paddling. And again, we're always having a time. Love it out here. Talk to you in a minute, everybody. Another cool spot. It's nice to be out of the shade too, or in the shade I mean. Out of the sun. The sun is blaring down, as you can tell right now, as I just came into it again. So everybody, we're coming to the end of this one. We're almost to the Bridge of Nowhere once again. I love this trip. This Bridge of Nowhere trip, 50 kilometers, is very easy for me to do. It's only about a 5-minute drive for me to get dropped off and head down to the Bridge of Nowhere. That's why I love to do it. That's what I like to do. It's what I wanted to do, so that's why I did it. I know it's a very similar video to the last one, but it turned out really different. So. And I'm not going to be doing too many more Bridge of Nowhere trips this year. Maybe one more, but not too sure yet. So things are going to be going a different route here. We'll get some new videos, different content. See what happens next. I'm having a beautiful day here paddling early morning. Early morning paddling is definitely the best time to paddle. I'm sure late in the evening is pretty good too. But I love early morning paddle. It's so cool. So guys, I'm Todd, and you're watching Outdoors with Todd. We'll catch you in the next one, everybody.